en route to pick up the new car for the channel. Mr. Tooney's driving. Got the trailer on the back. Can't see. I'm not pointing it out our window because I like my phone. So yeah, we'll pick you up when we get to there. There she is, boys and girls, new project car. Max Power called, from the 90s, want the car back. No, I'm not buying that really. There it is, the new car. No, I'm only joking, not buying that either.
There's Ashall-Kelly at my bus stop, and he likes to get stoned. Hasn't a clue how he's getting home. He goes to the park, getting girls pregnant in the dark. And a 13-year-old mum, well, that's not appealing. With the drugs that she took, well, she left her child screaming. And you can stick your middle finger up at me. Just remember, better people died for you to be free. And then the Scully, he breaks into my house, suppose that is fine. But if he hurts himself during, then the blame, it's all mine. And how could I have committed a crime when me and my missus were asleep at the time? And if I'm guilty, then where is your proof? It's his own fucking fault for being on my roof. And if he fell, then I wish that I pushed him with a knife that I'd driven. I knew it would crush him, and with his last breath he'd know what I'd done. Cause he is not British, he is just scum. There's Ashall-Kelly at my bus stop, and he likes to get stoned. Hasn't a clue how he's getting home. He goes to the park, God knows what he does in the dark.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The new project race car. 1.7 Ford Puma. So there she is, 2000 plate Ford Puma 1.7. She's not pretty, she's not meant to be, purely a track car. She's had the rear arches done already, the rear sills. But there she blows. Get a shot of the engine. There's the engine bay. But more importantly, take a look down there. A 421 manifold. Always good. So yeah. So she comes with loads of spare parts. Spare legs, original exhaust, cat, everything like that. She doesn't have a cat at the moment, she's decatted. Comes with Toyo proxies. And I don't think you'll be able to see, but let's have a look. In there is, focus, AP coilovers, which is nice. So there we go. So there she is. Don't worry, the Mini's not going anywhere, and no, it's not been forgotten about. This is an itch me and a family member really needed to scratch. We needed to get on track. We needed to get back on track, and for the price I paid for this and for the fun you can have, I think we're going to do alright with this. Like I say, she's not replacing the Mini. The Mini's not going anywhere. The Mini's just going to be a longer term project than what we originally thought. So get us back on track and get us having a bit of fun and a bit of sideways action, hopefully. Here she is, the new car to the channel. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good day.